Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see your submitted Google Forms. Okay, so as you can see, I filled this one in, all of these options, and I'm about to submit this. And only when the person who has made the form, let me show you their settings. Okay, once I scroll down, look at this. Under responses, if they have this one toggled to either always or when requested, it would send the responders a copy of the response. So let me go back here. As you can see, when I submit this, a copy of this response will be emailed to me. Only in this instance, you can see your submitted Google Forms. So as you can see, it has been recorded. You can view your score if it's a scoreable one. Okay, there you go. And then I can go to my email and show you the response. And here you go. As you can see, this was my submitted Google Forms response. Okay, you would basically see it in your email. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.